In today's video, let's see the recipe of Dynamite Chicken. It is a very popular Chinese appetizer, which is made with batter-fried crispy chicken pieces, coated with a blend of sauces, and served on a bed of lettuce. For this recipe, you will need some boneless chicken cut into small pieces. To marinate the chicken, we will take some red chilli powder or paprika, some salt. If you have oregano, you can also add that for the flavor. Some garlic paste, dark soya sauce, 1 egg. Mix this until they get well combined. To this we will add the chicken pieces and coat them well. Refrigerate this for at least 30 minutes. Now into a separate bowl, add some all-purpose flour or Maida, some cornstarch or cornflour, black pepper powder, and some salt. Mix this well. We will use this to coat the chicken before frying. Next step is to prepare the sauce. For this, add some mayonnaise into a bowl. Then we add some red chilli sauce. Next, add tomato ketchup, a bit of salt, garlic paste, and some honey. Mix this well. Check the spiciness. If you want it to be more spicy, add some more red chilli sauce. The chicken has been resting for almost 30 minutes. We will now coat them with the flour mixture. So take a chicken piece, coat it well with the flour. Dust off the excess flour and transfer to a separate bowl. It's time to fry the chicken. So I'm gonna drop in the chicken pieces one by one into hot oil. Set the flame on medium and fry the chicken until they turn crisp and also get cooked from the inside. It should roughly take around 4 to 5 minutes. You can transfer them onto a kitchen towel to get rid of the excess oil. Similarly, fry the remaining chicken. The crispy chicken is ready. We will add the mayo sauce to it. Give this a good mix until the chicken pieces get well coated with the sauce. Coming to the final step, I have some lettuce leaves here. I'm going to place these lettuce leaves in a bowl. So I have now formed a bed of lettuce leaves. Place the dynamite chicken on top of this. And garnish it with some chopped spring greens. The dynamite chicken is now ready to be served. Have them right away so that you enjoy the crunchiness of the chicken and also the flavors from the sauce mix. With every bite, you also have some lettuce because it's an awesome combination. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and Blogger. Click below to subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit that bell icon for notification of new videos.